health nuts! Everyone has their own favorite wake-up drink that acts as a fuel for your body and gets your motor running in the lazy mornings. Today I'm gonna share 4 of my favorite morning detox drinks that'll not just get you started but also keep you energized throughout the day. Plus, these will cleanse and detox your body, thereby helping you lose weight and get a flatter, debloated belly. Starting with my current favorite, apple cider vinegar drink. This has been my favorite morning drink for many months now. Sometimes I take it at night as well. It's really refreshing after a heavy meal and aids in digestion. To make this ACV drink, you'll need raw and unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Make sure that it's with the mother. The mother is nothing but the beneficial bacteria culture that makes ACV so great for your gut and digestive system. So take about 1 tablespoon of ACV in a large glass. Now you can simply just dilute it with water and drink it straight away, but I like to add a little bit of honey, just a teaspoon, to make it taste slightly pleasant, because I'll be honest, ACV doesn't taste great by itself. It's quite sour for my taste. Sometimes I add stevia instead of honey. You can also add juice of half a lemon to this. These little additions make the ACV drink quite pleasant to your taste buds. Plus, you also get the added benefits from honey and lemon, which we all know is the universal morning drink for half the people on this planet. If you have watched any of my meal plan videos, you'll know that I am totally obsessed with ACV and I feature it in each one of my meal plans. To know more about ACV, you can check out my other videos. All the links will be in the description box below. Few words of caution about ACV. Always drink it with a straw. If not, it may damage the enamel on your teeth as it is quite acidic in nature. If you have stomach ulcers or other gastric problems, avoid ACV, or at least check with your doctor before taking it. Don't consume more than 2 tablespoons of ACV in a day. Finally, even if you don't like ACV initially, please stick with it for a few days and you will acquire a taste for it for sure. Even if you don't, taste is a small price to pay for the incredible weight loss and health benefits that you'll get from ACV. Now moving on to my next favorite detox drink, it's coconut water with chia seeds. Since my childhood, coconut water has been my most favorite beverage. As a kid, I loved it just for its amazing taste. But it's only when I grew up I got to know how amazingly beneficial coconut water is for your body. It's full of electrolytes that keeps your body super hydrated and energized, and it's rich in potassium. That's a natural diuretic which helps in reducing bloating and water retention. Adding chia seeds to coconut water boosts the health benefit that you can get from this detox drink by many folds. Chia seeds are superfood that are powerhouse of nutrients. It's packed with amino acids, antioxidants, healthy omega-3 fats and much more. Plus it has this amazing property of absorbing liquid up to 9 times its own size and plump up, which is what chia seed does when it's inside your stomach. It acts like a sponge that absorbs liquid, plumps up in your stomach and keeps you full and away from unnecessary cravings for a longer duration. I have spoken about chia seeds in many of my other videos. You can check those out if you'd like. And you know where the links are going to be, down below. Next up is Infused Detox Water. In all my meal plan videos, I always emphasize on drinking at least 8 to 10 glasses of water throughout the day. Most of us are aware of the role water plays in weight loss and belly fat reduction. But sometimes it can get a little boring to drink gallons of just plain old water. Having infused water is a fun and tastier way to meet your daily water intake requirement. Now you can use any fruit or vegetable to infuse your water, but I mostly like to go classic with some slices of lime or lemon, few slices of cucumber, 1-inch ginger root sliced and few mint leaves. I just put that all into a big jug and then fill it up with filtered water. And then I just put it in my refrigerator to chill and get infused for at least a couple of hours. That's it. Now instead of just plain old water, I drink my interesting flavorful infused water. This way I get the goodness of all these veggies along with the water. Lemon imparts a lot of flavor, plus it helps in burning fat. Cucumber is almost calorie-less and it gives refreshing cool flavor to the infused water. You can even eat the cucumber afterwards. Ginger aids in digestion, keeps your gut healthy and promotes your metabolism. And mint is soothing and calming and provides relief from indigestion or stomach upset. Plus I love mint flavor. I usually refill this jug twice in a day because after that the lemon becomes slightly bitter and the mint leaf starts to wilt. Sometimes I do experiment with other fruits and veggies. Drinking water has never been more fun. Let me know what are your favorite ingredients to make infused water in the comment section below. Final one in this list is, well, no prizes for guessing, it's Matcha Green Tea. I am a true matcha maniac and I have said this time and again in many of my videos. So I will not talk a lot about matcha here because I recently shared a whole dedicated Matcha Green Tea video on my channel. All you would want to know about matcha tea is in that video. What is it, its health and weight loss benefits, how to make matcha tea, how to make matcha latte, everything. So I highly recommend that you check that video out. It's quite informative. Link is in the description box below. But in short, just to give you an idea, matcha green tea is the purest form of powdered green tea made from highest quality young tea leaves. 1 cup of matcha green tea has antioxidants equivalent to 10 cups of normal green tea. It also has caffeine, so it gives me the energy that I need. Plus it tastes great. It tastes nothing like green tea. So if you are not a fan of green tea, you may still like matcha. It has a mild grassy flavor with a very distinct aroma. I also put matcha powder in my smoothies or oatmeals. I have to have my matcha every day. I am so obsessed. But I can say this with full confidence that this kind of obsession is definitely good for my health. So that's all I have for you guys in this video. I hope you liked it. I would love to know what are your favorite detox drinks, so comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe because it's free. And all you have to do is click that big red subscribe button and the bell button next to it. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy, and drink water. Bye!